Today, I'm building an app inside of Webflow's App Gen. So this app is going to help amplify product launches to our customers, partners, and community so that they know what's new. Hi, my name is Jace. I'm on the product marketing team here at Webflow. Here's a recent feature release that we had around commenting. Our product team worked on it. We got it out the door, but we really wanted to do even more to kind of amplify and surface this for our customers and our partners. Okay, so we've generated the product launch kit here, and I can go and drop in that URL for that product release notes post and see what it can help me do. So first is around social media, even the hashtags included, which is actually nice. So we've got blog post, a sales one slider. So, something that our sales team can use in one slide with customers, with prospects to really speak to this new feature. We've got 7 days of sneak peeks, a community template challenge, a product tour video, a live build on launch day. I like that. It's also generated a number of email options, again, for us to use as a starting point. We also have a video script, really quick starting point for a 30-second promo video that we may want to leverage. And then finally, some options to connect with our community. So really gives us a quick starting point to be able to grab it, paste it, and make small tweaks so we can really make these product releases much more impactful.